Hello guys, welcome back again. Um, Today I'm gonna show you how to create a page numbering to your Word document. It's quite easy. I even don't know why I'm explaining this in a video, but I am just I prepared a file for you. There are some, I think, 4 pages here, but there's no page numbering. So how can someone understand which page he's looking at? So it's quite easy. Now I'm gonna click the insert button here, and in the header and footer section, you can see the page number. Or if you isn't if you're not qualified enough to click some sections, you can write here page numbers and add page numbering. It's quite easy. It's same, by the way. And I'm clicking the page numbering. I like my numbers in the bottom, as most of the men. And here, plain number 3. It's quite easy. Just click it and it appears at the bottom. Yeah, it's like a magic, isn't it? Okay, now I want to tell something looks important. Here it is the cover page, so I don't need a page number here. So it's quite easy to change it. Just double click the footer section and it activates the footer. Then you can see a new tab appears at the top. It's design tab for header and footer. Then click different first page. Yay! You see it disappears. Then click escape button. Go to page. You see page numbering is starting from the second page, and you can use this first page. Woohoo! Okay. Thank you for watching me. I still don't know why I'm doing that, but I hope it will be helpful for someone, and goodbye.